This is our neoprene water jet cover. It provides great insolutions and helps prevent scratches. Let's take a look at how this product is made in sewing area. The per-cut fabric pieces are first stitched together using a zigzag sewing machine. Then, a flat sewing machine is used to attach the zipper and the edge planning. This is Penny Wang from China. We are a customer factory. Looking forward to making your neoprene products.